Welcome back, I'm Sean, and today we're checking out Edifier's latest answer to the high-end audiophile headphones realm that really have everything you want and need in these headphones. So let's check it out. So the Stax Spirit S5 today was sent over to me by Edifier for a review, but it is not a sponsored post, and my review is based on my honest and unbiased opinion. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future tech reviews. So the S5 comes in at a price of $500 US or about 2,499 Malaysian ringgit, and comparing it to the previous S3 model that comes in at almost half its price. So I'm really excited to see how these headphones stack up to my expectations of a $500 headphones. So if you're interested in buying one, do check out my links below. So from a design standpoint, I think the S5 is now a little bit more matured compared to the flashier S3, but if I'm honest, I actually like the size and design of the S3 a lot more. And with this new design, you're getting really big headphones with really big and comfortable ear cups with a mostly blacked out design to give you that more premium feeling. So at the top of the band here, you're gonna get a brushed metal band with the Edifier branding at the top, and this metal extends all the way down to the extension arms here at the side, which gives you a more seamless look. And underneath the headband is also an extremely high quality lambskin leather band, which is very soft and comfortable to wear. And at both sides of the headband is the Stax Spirit branding there, and the extension arm also extends very gracefully, revealing the slits behind and not like those traditional headbands where it's clicky. So at the bottom, you're also going to get the ear cups that rotates and tilts, which gives you a more comfortable fit, and the headphones also stretches really nicely despite that metal headband, and there is no creaking or cracking when you stretch them. So there are no left and right indicators inside the ear cups, but you do get the indicators in the inside here of the headband, which is also easy enough to spot, but I still prefer them being inside the ear cups itself. And where this is different, because now at the outside of the ear cups, you're actually getting a fully lined top grain cowhide ear cups, which looks great and smells great as well. And when you tilt the headphones, you can actually see the leather extends all the way inside here, which is really nice attention to detail. And the ear cups that you're getting here is also a fast rebound memory foam, lined with lambskin as well, so this is genuine leather. So every leather surface here is real, and if you don't want to use the leather ear cups, you can also swap it out for the cooling mesh ear cups to keep things a little bit cooler. And Edifier also claims that these are upgraded pivots here to reduce mechanical vibration noises to the headphones, which adds to the distortion-free sound quality of the headphones. And thanks to the material of these headphones, you're not getting a lightweight headphones here, but comes in at a weight of 347 grams, which is almost the weight of the heavy AirPods Max. Wearing them for about an hour or two is okay for me, and I don't feel much of discomfort, but this weight is something that you will notice around your head. Controls here are really simple, and they are all on the right ear cups. You get a volume rocker, which is also your track skipping button, along with the play and pause button in the middle, which is also the button you use to turn on the headphones. And at the side here is also your Bluetooth button, which is a multifunctional button which you can also customize. So there are two main ports on these headphones itself, and the Type-C port is on the right ear cups, which is used for charging the headphones up or for connecting the headphones wired via the Type-C port, or you can also connect a wired 3.5mm auxiliary port on the left ear cup, so you have two options for wired setup. So you're going to get a great battery performance on these headphones, which is very similar to the original S3, and with a full charge, you're going to get about 80 hours of playback time. There isn't any ANC with this headphone, so that's not going to drain your battery more. However, depending on the type of codec that you play with, they are all going to give you varying levels of battery life, so do take note of that. And you get a slightly better quick charging here, so 15 minutes of charge will quickly give you 13 hours of playback time, so you're very likely not going to run out of battery even in your longest flight. So the volume on the Stax Spirit S5 is okay, but it gets to that comfortable listening volume using my Hibi R4 DAP that I have at only 60% volume, and it gradually increases, and I managed to achieve that loud volume at around 90% volume. Anything above that is really very loud. So you do get about 30% of really usable range in my opinion, but the good news is that you can also use this headphone extremely soft, and you start getting that really soft volume starting at only 15% volume, so you can enjoy them really softly late into the night. So features is where the Stax Spirit series of headphones shine, and I love that with Edifier's flagship headphones, you're getting the best of the best features and capabilities. So for starters, you're getting a Qualcomm QCC5181 chipset supporting Bluetooth 5.4, so this is a very new and high-end chipset, which is the latest Bluetooth codec in the time of its launch, which was also improved in the previous flagship Bluetooth 5.2 on the S3. So the headphones also supports Google Fast Pair, so if you have a compatible Android device, connecting with these headphones is really easy and you get that pop-up screen. So you're getting all of the famous codecs that you can think of, and the headphones support Snapdragon sound, high-res codecs such as LHDC, LDAC codec, aptX lossless, aptX adaptive, aptX HD, aptX, AAC and SBC. So you're getting everything that most players or phones can put out. So similar to the S3, there isn't any water resistant rating with these headphones, so do take care not to get them wet. And also, just like the S3, you're also going to get that sweet planar magnetic driver here. So again, you're getting two magnets that is spaced equally between diaphragms in the middle of that vibrates. So the planar magnetic system will give you a very clean, distortion resistant sound signature. So similar to the S3, you're also going to get now a second gen equal mass diaphragm here, but it's also with upgraded second gen wiring components. So the headphones also comes with a 2-device multi-point, which works really well. However, if you enable the HD codecs on your headphones to use codecs such as LDAC, and it will disable the multi-point connectivity, which is pretty standard for most LDAC devices in the market today. So with the Edifier's latest product, you'll be able to connect these headphones to the Edifier Connex app. At the homepage here, you'll be getting a picture of your beautiful new headphones, as well as the battery percentage of your headphones, which is very useful. And at the top is also the Snapdragon logo or the high-res audio wireless logo. So depending on the codecs that you're running, the different logo will actually light up. At the bottom, you get to choose which earpads that you're using so that you can optimize sound quality. And under sound effects, you get to choose between 3 presets, including original, dynamic, or monitor. And under the customized EQ, you get to play around with a 4-band EQ along with a Q factor of the equalizer. But the nice thing here is that each of these 4-band frequencies, you can choose the frequencies that you want to adjust. So below that is also to toggle gaming mode on or off. And under the settings, you can customize the multi-function button. And there's also quite a lot to choose from here. So you can customize it for the single press and double press of the multi-function button. So apart from that, if you have a compatible device, you'll be able to adjust the HD audio codec to enable or disable the LDAC, multi-point connectivity, and if you get a firmware upgrade, the headphones will also prompt you to update your firmware. And that's pretty much all the features you get with the Connex app. So let's see how these headphones perform with its all new fancy codecs and the new equal mass technology, and also that planar magnetic headphones. So the most ideal way to describe the sound signature of these headphones is high resolution but flat. So you're going to get that very ideal high resolution IEM or monitor style type of sound signature, meaning if you hear the bass notes, the headphones is able to generate it with total quality, no problem at all, but without the depth or deep rumble. So in the case of Taylor Swift's Wildest Dreams, you're going to hear the high quality bass notes, but they aren't deep or hard hitting. And with doing it right, every single sub bass note you can hear can be generated. And the key here with these headphones is that it can play it with no distortion or crackling. But the thing is that they don't sound deep like subwoofers, which actually sounds exceptionally well, and I really like the high quality bass sound. And that shows the capability of these headphones to produce quality, low frequencies rather than just basic raw rumble. So mid vocals here is also fantastic sounding as well, with all the vocal notes sounding forward and nice without any of the notes feeling recessed, muffled or jumbled up. So the highs here is again top notch with clear highs, crisp cymbals and sparkly timbres. I'm absolutely impressed with what you can produce here, especially with the bass and mid vocals in the mix. So also just to qualify, I'm testing these headphones mostly with my HiBi R4 DAP, with my high-res files and also Apple lossless files from Apple Music, which is the ideal source files you should be using to listen to these types of headphones. So all in all, I'm very impressed with what these headphones can offer and the sheer performance of these headphones. So this is a test to see if the Edifier Stax Spirit S5 is a good headphone for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these headphones. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. With gaming mode turned on, the latency performance of these headphones is also top notch, and although Edifier rates it at 89 milliseconds, I personally think that these headphones perform better than that in person, and in real life you're hardly going to see any latency issues with games like PUBG, movies or videos. So anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these headphones. So this is a fantastic piece of gear by Edifier, and I don't think that you would fully extract the potential of these headphones if you're not using a DAP with high-res files or to stream or enjoy your music. Because at this price point, you should know what you're looking for before you pay any premium to truly enjoy these headphones. And if you just want to enjoy regular music using Spotify with your phone, I would highly recommend the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra in this price range as well. So what you get with these headphones here is specialty wireless audiophile grade headphones, and you're paying the premium for it. So I've recently also reviewed the Cambridge Audio Melomania P100 headphones, which is also a fantastic sounding ANC headphones from Cambridge Audio that sounds very nice. So if you want to check that video out, definitely click on the links and I'll see you over at that video.